Good morning, everyone. I am Shivam Kumar, pursuing BTech CS in Lovely Professional University, and today I am going to explain you all about the balance parenthesis. So, parenthesis, and when I say parenthesis, I want to include curly braces and the square bracket. So, my expression on the string can contain characters that can be upper or lower case letters, symbols for operators, and an opening or closing parenthesis, or an opening or closing curly brace, or an opening or closing square bracket. So let's write some expressions here. So now I'm going to write down some expressions like the first expression we have a plus b, and the second expression a minus b plus c minus d. So we have these two expressions. Now we will check whether these two expressions are balanced or not. So now for the expression to be balanced, we need to have what? We need to have the opening braces or the closing braces as well as the closing braces or the opening curly braces. We have closing curly braces or the opening square bracket. We need to have the corresponding closing square bracket in the correct order of the sequence. So now, so in these two, the first expression we have the opening and the same as the closing. So this expression is balanced. So we have the opening curly brace and the closing curly brace, opening bracket and the closing brackets. It is also the balance. Now the third expression that I am going to write is like a plus b minus c minus d. In this expression, you will see it is having the opening. It is not having the opening curly brace, but it is having the closing curly brace. So it is not balanced. Now the fourth expression like C minus D plus G minus H. So in this expression, we are having the opening square bracket, closing square bracket, but in this one, we are having the opening square bracket, but not having this closing square bracket. So this is expression is also not balanced. And the fifth, we are having this one, this, this, and this. So we are having the opening curly brace as well as the closing curly brace, openings braces and the closing brace. So this expression is balanced. So we are having these expressions as the balanced and non-balanced ones. So now let's implement the same expressions in our code. So now let's write the code to check whether the given expression is balanced or not. So first we will define the function def is balanced parenthesis take input string stack empty. Now dictionary will write a dictionary to store the mapping of opening and the closing brackets. Bracket mapping equals to itna. Then I iterate to the input string. The for char in input string. Then if the character is a closing bracket, so if character in bracket mapping. Then the pop the top element from the stack if it is not empty, or otherwise we will assign a dummy value to handle the cases. Then the top element, for the top element we will to remove, we will use pop function. Now check if the pop element matches the corresponding opening bracket. So if bracket mapping character equals to the top element, then return false. Else we will have stack dot append the character, or the return not stack. Then the test strings we will use test strings, first test string is equal to for this one if it is balanced. Parenthesis test string one, it will print function the string balanced. If it is valid, it will print the function that the string test is balanced. Else it will print else it will print the string is not balanced. Then we will use a second test string test string second This is the second test string. We will again check if is balanced parenthesis test string. If it is balanced, it will print the function the string is balanced. Else, if the string is not balanced, it will print the string is not balanced. So this is the code of the balanced parenthesis. So now let's run and check the code whether the test string 1 or the test string 2 is balanced or not. So this is our output. The first string that we have taken is balanced as it is having the proper opening and the closing curly braces. And the second string that we have taken is not balanced because the first curly braces is open and the second it is having the second closing curly braces, but the square bracket is having the opening and the closing, but it is not in the sequence correct order. So that's why it is not balanced. So this is the balanced parenthesis. Hope you all have understood my video. So thank you guys.